Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our USA mortgage level of concern, we're at level 0 yet again today. No weather worries, just a beautiful day on the Cumberland Plateau. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic, and not looking for any severe weather from now through the weekend. Do have a storm system next week that I'll probably have to keep an eye on. The Storm Prediction Center already kind of talking about it just a little bit, but I'll keep an eye on that. We'll see how that evolves as it gets closer to our area with time. Clear View Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Mostly sunny for our Tuesday. Highs around 60. Overnight lows tonight going down in the mid 30s. Could have some patchy frost in some areas by Wednesday morning. On Wednesday, clouds start to thicken up. Winds start to pick up, seeing gusts to 20 miles an hour by sunset. Showers developing around sunset, and then shortly thereafter, highs in the low 60s before those showers move in, dropping in the low 40s by Wednesday night with rain continuing. Hopefully we get some pretty good rain out of this system. Looks like we might get about, I don't know, an inch-ish or so. I'll keep an eye on those totals. That's the general ballpark we're looking at, which is certainly better than what we've seen with any of our past recent systems. Thursday, rain continues, especially in the morning. Highs reaching into the mid to upper 50s, wind gusts to 25 miles per hour. And then those wind gusts will be blowing in some cooler air Thursday night, dropping into the mid to upper 30s. Friday and Saturday looking mostly sunny, highs in the upper 50s to around 60, overnight lows in the mid to upper 30s. On this day in 1911, an early morning twister strikes Joelton. That's about 25 miles north of Nashville. Caused all kinds of damage. Followed an early high temperature of 73 degrees, but then nearly 50-mile-an-hour north winds blew in a 40-degree temperature drop in just 6 hours. So quite an active day that was. 2003, thunderstorms in Southern California produced 5 inches of rain in just 2 hours in Los Angeles, which is phenomenal for those folks. Small hail even accompanied the storm and knocked out the lights for a lot of people. M&M's Meteorology. Today's the Battle of Hattin. On July 4th, 1187, at the Horns of Hattin, west of the Sea of Galilee, the army of the Crusader Kingdom of Jerusalem met the troops of the Muslim Sultan Saladin. It was an excruciatingly hot summer. The Muslims, using weather to their advantage, blocked the Crusaders' access to the cisterns, to the water. They emptied out those pots, lit smoky fires with dry grass and stubble. The Crusaders, weakened by the heat and anguished by thirst, soon were surrounded by the Muslims. After destroying the Crusader army, Saladin went on to conquer a defenseless Jerusalem, all because of that darn weather. So we continue through the week. There's even more examples of this as we go on. There's even courses you can take called Weather and War, which I think would be absolutely fascinating. Perhaps someday I can even get one of those started around here. But you folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.